How to use low power mode on Apple Watch. If you are searching how to turn off and on low power mode on Apple Watch, then you are at right place. Today we are going to tell you how to use low power mode on and turn off Apple Watch. Let's get started. How to turn on low power mode on Apple Watch. From the watch face, tap the battery icon if it's present. If your watch face doesn't have a battery icon, swipe up from the bottom of the watch face to open Control Center. Tap the battery percentage. Move the low power mode slider to on yellow. On the next screen, you can choose to turn on low power mode indefinitely, turn on for and choose 1 to 3 days, or dismiss if you've changed your mind. After tapping turn on or turn on for, you'll know low power mode is enabled thanks to the yellow circle at the top of the screen. Method 2. How to turn off low power mode on Apple Watch. Tap the battery icon on the watch face. If your watch face doesn't show the battery, open Control Center by swiping up from the bottom of the face. Tap the battery percentage. Move low power mode slider to off-white. By using this method you can turn off and on low power mode on Apple Watch. Hope you liked this video. Is yes, please hit a like button. And don't forget to make a comment. If you're facing any issue,